Have you ever said to yourself, I wish I could take my hairstylist home with me? Have you tried to recreate in-salon looks with little to no success, only to feel lost and confused? Or maybe you're just looking for new inspiration and want to learn more. I'm Krystina Indigo Your, your how-to hairstylist, and here I share with you the best ways to create in-salon looks with confidence and ease. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you how to get volume, body, and no flyaways out of your can of hairspray. A huge misconception about hairspray, especially if you are a child of the 80s, is that hairspray can be used everywhere and on everything and for every finished look. I'm here to tell you that's not the case. We're going to use hairspray with intention. So I'm going to show you 3 different ways on how to correctly use hairspray for what exactly you're trying to use it for. The first way is for volume. Most people want hairspray to give them the extra lift and volume in their hair. So here's a quick little tip and easy trick to help get volume at the crown of your hair. So you're going to start with where you're looking for that volume. Usually it's in this crown area for a little extra lift. So you're going to grab a section, spraying the underneath, rolling the can underneath it like a hot roller, let it sit. Slide that hair out, move to your next section. The smaller sections you work in, the better. Nice clean section of hair. Spray the underneath. Use that can as a roller. I told you guys, look at all that volume. Let's do one last section. And just slide it out. So now you get that extra lift that you're looking for. So whenever you're trying to get interior lift inside of your hair, you're going to be using the hairspray on the inside to give expansion and more body inside of your hair. Hairspray can be heavy depending on the finish that you're using. So you want to make sure if you're looking for expansion and lots of body in your hair that you're using it on the interior of your hair, just like this. You're getting that lift from within. Now, anytime that you're looking to use hairspray to smooth down flyaways, you want to use the hairspray in the direction you want the hair to lay. So often I see everybody kind of do this and create a cyclone of hairspray. Well, that's only freezing into place exactly where that hair already is living. So if you have flyaways on top of your head most likely, and I want those flyaways to lay down right here, I'm going to be spraying the hairspray in the direction that I want them to lay. Then I'm going to be using the can so that it doesn't stick to my fingers. And the same thing to the other side. So there you have it. body, no flyaways, and extra volume, all from